DJI Avata, or any other FPV drone, you need to hear this. Because what's coming isn't just another rumor. It's shaping up to be the most explosive leap forward in FPV technology we've seen in years. I'm talking about DJI Avata 3, a drone so anticipated that even the leaks are sending waves through the FPV community. And if even half of what we're hearing turns out to be real, this thing will completely rewrite what we expect from cinematic FPV drones. So buckle up, because by the end of this deep dive, you'll know exactly why you should wait before dropping your money on any current drone. Let's start with what makes this upcoming release such a big deal. DJI isn't just updating specs this time. They're reportedly rebuilding the Avata series from the ground up, rethinking design, performance, image quality, and flight intelligence. Their goal? To create the ultimate cinematic FPV drone. One that's nearly unbreakable, incredibly immersive, and professional enough for filmmakers but easy enough for beginners. The DJI Avata was a turning point for FPV pilots when it launched. It gave creators that thrilling first-person flight experience without needing to build or tune their own drone. It brought together safety features, digital transmission, and cinematic image quality in a compact cine-whoop design. The goggles, while immersive, can feel bulky after long sessions. And DJI knows this, which is why Avata 3 might be the biggest re-engineering project in their FPV lineup yet. Let's talk about the most fundamental thing every pilot dreams of: longer flight time. Leaks and internal reports point toward a new high-density battery system paired with an upgraded propulsion design. This combination could push the Avata 3's flight time past the 30-minute mark, a huge upgrade from the 18 to 20 minutes of its predecessor. Less downtime and more creative freedom. If this holds true, the Avata 3 won't just fly longer. It'll redefine what's possible in FPV endurance. The camera upgrade everyone's talking about, a 1-inch sensor. Now for the part everyone's losing their minds over, the camera. DJI is reportedly fitting the Avata 3 with a 1-inch image sensor, or close to it. That's a massive jump from the smaller sensor found in the Avata 2. More cinematic footage. You'll get deeper colors, more detail, and smoother gradients. Better low-light performance. Perfect for sunset flights, night scenes, and creative lighting. Higher dynamic range, meaning both bright skies and dark shadows retain detail in the same shot. Less noise and more sharpness, even in challenging light conditions. We're potentially talking about 5.4K video at higher frame rates, up to 120 frames per second, with full manual control and improved color science. That's Hollywood-level performance in an FPV frame. If DJI really nails this, the Avata 3 won't just be for hobbyists anymore. It'll become a serious tool for cinematographers, travel filmmakers, and content creators who want FPV magic with premium image quality. Reinventing